You guessed it, now we're going to talk about our face masks. I make our face masks in a powdered formula for a few reasons. One, so they can be activated with your choice of liquid before each use. Two, so you can make them to the consistency you prefer, some like a thicker mask or a thinner style mask. And three, they stay fresher for longer. You can try adding some aloe vera to your mask if your skin is irritated. You can try a little bit of honey if you're having a breakout, and you could also mix it with a floral hydrosol or even some of our mist. There are plenty of masks on the market today, but the majority of them come ready to apply, so they're loaded, or they're usually loaded, with a whole heap of nasties. So if someone's looking to avoid the toxins, choosing a dry mask is the way to go. Our masks detoxify your skin, draw out toxins, which this is currently doing, and remove impurities from deep down. They also come with a reusable brush so you can apply it evenly. And there's 3 varieties. I'm using at the moment, the French green clay with matcha and aloe. This is my favourite. So I'm going to now show you how easy it is to apply on Ash. Okay, so Ash has chosen the activated charcoal. Is this your favourite one, Ash?
It is my favourite.
Okay, so we've mixed up the formula. I've just used water today, but like I said, there's lots of different things you can add to these masks. So I like to avoid the eye area. Very delicate around there. And it really feels like you're doing a little special treatment at home for yourself with the brush.
It's very cooling as well in my face.
It is, isn't it? Okay. This activated charcoal one, in fact, is really good on the nose area to help with those pesky little blackheads. Now, depending on how thick you actually make this, depends on how quickly it dries. So, how's mine looking, Ash, on my face?
It's really dry. We've got some wet bits.
You can see some wet bits and dry bits as it's taking its time to dry. I like to do these at home. Put it on for a shower, for example, because it's really, really easy to take off in the shower. And then simply this brush just needs to be washed with soapy water between use, and it will last you a long, long time. And now I'm going to show you how easy it really is to remove. So again, I've got some warm water here on a face washer. Now you can, before I do this actually, just wanted to mention, you can leave this on until it's completely dry, and because it is a clay-based mask, it will actually, your face will feel like, you know, it can't move and it cracks. Or if you have sensitive skin though, it's best to take it off before it does dry. So just a little tip for you. I like to leave it on until it really dries. Has it dried yet?
Almost.
Okay, close enough for today's demonstration anyway. So I'm going to put this over my face and wipe away. And because I don't have a mirror, it's probably going to look pretty funny because I can't see what I'm doing.
It's on your forehead, isn't it?
Okay. But you guys can see how easily it's actually coming off. Now, I like to use a mask once a week, but if you do have sensitive skin, yeah, I'd go maybe once every 2 weeks. And if you've got really oily skin, you can use a mask 2 to 3 times a week. How many times a week do you do it, Ash?
Probably about 3 to 4.
Okay.
Yeah, I use mine quite often.
You guys can see how simple and easy that was, and I wish you could feel how smooth and lovely my skin now feels. So there's our face masks for you.